Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Welcome back once again to JayJay's PC Build. You know, it's JJ with you once again. First time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Today we're going to have a little bit of a powwow. I say powwow because it is a powwow. But we're going to get into the facts and talk about what I'm meaning. Okay, I've noticed over a period of time, a lot of people are not really watching the videos and stuff, and a lot of people are getting more hands-on with the live streams. So what I decided for a little while, I might make a recorded video once in a while, but not all the time. But I'm going to try to make it more hands-on for everybody that, subscribes to the channel and ones that watch the videos, make it a little bit better. We're going to make it a little bit more hands-on. So basically, instead of me doing a pre-recorded video and then, you guys can just watch it whenever you want, we're going to do one better. We're going to do live streaming. I feel that live streaming is a lot better. But also, too, with the live streaming, there's a replay. So basically, you can watch the replay even if you don't join into the live stream or didn't get in there in time or anything else. But I want to go this direction right now to see how far it's going to go. I feel that you guys having everything in real time gives you a better sense and feeling of how I'm doing this channel and the questions and everything else that you guys might arise in the videos. So we're going to compact everything. Instead of having you guys put comments on the videos, which you can join the live stream and put all your comments right there. Now, if you guys want to see the comments from the live stream, you'll have to join. Not join, you can hit the join button if you want to, become a member of the channel. But if you subscribe, you'll get notifications when I post the next live streams. So it makes it more beneficial for you so you can put your time wrapped around what I'm trying to do. Okay, now Monday, I'm going to tell you how the live streaming time is going to start. So basically, unless I have like an emergency, I got to leave town or something like that, we're going to do our scheduling like this. But I'll let you guys know ahead, and I'll put it on a video to let you guys know what's happening. Or you can join Discord. We have a Discord member for Discord members. If you want to become a member, you can join the Discord, and I'm on there live. So basically, I'm talking on there every day. So if you want to, it doesn't cost anything. Just make sure, if you're 18 and older, because we don't want to break the rules. And, if you want to keep up to date on some of the tech news, we all in Discord keep up to date on the tech news. So, not just because I make a live video or I make a video, I keep everybody as up to date as soon as I find the information, or if somebody finds information, they'll post it in the Discord. So we collaborate there, and if you guys want to be a part of that action, just let me know, and I'll send you a link to the Discord. I do it person by person basis. That way, we get to know everybody that comes in onto the channel, or the Discord channel, so that way the members on Discord are more protected, and we don't have anybody that's gonna trash or troll the Discord channel. So I'm just letting you know this is the reason why I'm doing this, so you understand that I keep a tight ship here. I don't let people hash and trash each other. So we have a nice little community that's growing, and it's going to continue to grow. So just let you know. But as far as the videos, I don't think they were hands-on enough for me. This is one of the reasons. Is because when I'm posting a video, it doesn't feel right. I want to have that feedback. I want to have that feedback in the live chat, so I can feel what you guys are feeling and what your concerns are and how we can go about fixing an issue. And that's the reason why the community joins in together on the Discord, the live chat, is because if somebody has a problem, what I'll do is I stop what I'm doing and I put my focus on that person with their problem, try to help them with it, and then go on with the rest of the live stream. That's how I do things. I try to help everybody I can. I don't ask anybody for anything. It's free to join the channel. I mean, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I don't know why I keep saying join, but there is a join button too. But if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, that is up to you. Okay, no peer pressure or nothing. To see what we're doing on the live streams, I mean, it's free for everybody to use. You know, to join in. Even if you don't subscribe, you can still join in. I'm not keeping anybody from that, but I keep the options open. If you want to help the channel and help me grow this channel, then hit the subscribe button. So, all in all, I want more hands-on. I want you guys to feel comfortable with me and understanding where my point of view is coming from, and also to me understanding where your point of views come from as well. It's called one-on-one interaction. So I want to interact more with you guys, get more hands-on with you guys, and get down into the dirt and the, you know, right down to the, like I used to see. You have to understand something. I've been doing this for over 3 decades. Okay, I learned on my own. I learned through many trial and errors. I had my good times, I've had my bad times. Testing, building, and so on. Okay, I've had my share. But the feel of being hands-on with you guys is more. You're never going to know the truth if you're not hands-on with your subscribers or the viewers. So I'm pushing this to a different level now. It's not so much me trying to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. It's not so much that. It's so much I want you guys to feel comfortable being here on the channel. Sometimes, yeah, I go off on a little tangent. All reviewers do. So, but all in all, at the end of the day, we're trying to put out as much information to help you get on your journey of building a PC. Or even if you buy a pre-built PC, at least get you in the right direction so that way you're not buying something that's garbage. My personal impression is this. I don't want to see people buying garbage. Okay? They put garbage together, you get garbage. You put something good together, you get something good in the end. But the problem is that everybody keeps overlooking my channel. Maybe because I'm not aggressive enough. Maybe I should be more aggressive. I don't know. I'm not trying to be aggressive. I'm trying to bring the facts. I am trying to keep you guys informed. I'm trying to do all above. And yeah, I'm tired of the leaks and rumors too. I mean, you guys have been telling me that for a while. I'm tired of leaks and rumors. We want to see real merchandise. We want to see something that's going to blow our mind. You guys have been saying that for the last couple years. I heard you. I feel you. I understand you. And trust me, with any other channels out there, they're not going to give you what you need to know when it comes to one-on-one. I'm not like the other reviewers. Understand this. I'm not going to ignore you. I don't ignore anybody on my channel. You can ask all my subscribers. They'll all tell you they don't get ignored. Shoot, maybe because I could say that, you know, I'm more hands-on than anybody else. I'm like in the thick with everybody else. And I want to make sure everybody else is, for price to performance, is getting what they need. So this is the reason why I'm coming to you guys now and telling you guys what the direction of this channel is going. We're going to do live streaming. Sometimes it might be last minute, just to say, because I'm not sure about what time I'm going to be on for that day. But if you do subscribe, you will get a notification. So, and if you don't, then if you're subscribed to the Discord channel for JayJay's PC Builds, then I will make sure you guys have the notification in Discord as well, because I put it there every time. So, keep that in mind. I keep you informed from beginning to end. I give you guys a voice to the voiceless. When it comes to PC building and everything else, the problem that I'm having is none of these companies are hearing what the consumer's talking about. They're not giving the consumer a voice. I give you guys the voice on my platform. You have a voice on my platform. I make sure you have a voice on my platform, because that is my goal and intentions, to make sure you have a voice. I started my channel 3 years back because nobody was hearing the consumer. Nobody was giving the consumer a voice. Maybe it's time somebody needs to give you guys a voice. This is the reason why I built my channel, to give you guys a voice so you can be heard. You haven't been being heard. Everybody's just been blowing it out, going in one ear and out the other. Now you guys have a chance to have a voice. Okay? And if you subscribe to my channel, you know, as long as we can keep it clean, we don't want to, you know, we don't need to F-bomb in the chats. Okay, that's not what we're about. We're here to talk about tech. We're here to talk about PCs. We're here to get better price to performance. We're done being ripped off. I myself am done being ripped off by these companies. Now it's time to shine. Now it's your time to shine. Join the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Become the voice of the voiceless. Yeah. So, but anyway, guys, I just want to bring this out to you so you know the direction of this channel. A lot of people have been asking me, Jay, what is the direction of the channel? Here's the direction, so you understand what the channel is going to be about. We're going to improve it over time. It takes money. I'm working on that situation. That's going to take time and money. I'm working on it. I know I said for 3 years I've been working on it. Well, I've been fighting with, in the real life, a big deal, trying to get around a couple things so I can bring, you know, money into the channel, so that way I can start buying new parts. So that way I can start getting price to performance parts and putting PCs together that have meaning to price to performance, that you all can build for yourself and do the same thing. That's the hopes and dreams I have for the channel. So when you build your PC, you can build it without having the monkey on your back and the price that's just outrageous. We're going to try to fix that. I know I can't fix the world, but we're sure in the hell going to try. So anyway, guys, if you made it to the end of the video and you understand where I'm coming from, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Until the next time and the next live stream, you know who it is, and we'll see you on the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll